Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can mute someone's stories on WhatsApp. Okay, first of all, let's just open our WhatsApp application on our phone, and then we're going to open the story section, so we can tap on the updates right here. Then you can select a story or status that you want to mute, and for example, I'm going to mute the story from this account or this contact. So we can tap and hold on the story, then we can click on mute. Okay, now the story has been muted, and if you still want to view the story, you can scroll down, then you can click on muted updates. Okay, and here are the stories that I have muted. Alright guys, and that's how we can mute someone's stories on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.